Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is in response to a question that was brought to us on the forum. Don't forget, guys, please send me all your questions. I told you I will address everybody's questions. So today's video is in response to what is the Tuet Sao at the end of the Silam Dao form and how to apply it. But before we get there, I need you to check the box to like and subscribe and click the bell to always to be kept up with our videos. Thanks and have a great day.
Okay, so question came in is dealing with Tuet Sao, the end of the Silam Dao form. So you bring the wrist into center, push it out. Qijang, breakaway palm. Then I take the pad of my other hand and I put it above the elbow and I sweep down. This is Tuet. Tuet means to sweep. So Tuet Sao, sweeping hand. And this is a push, pulling motion to clear. And it's done 1, 2, and 3, and then finishing the form back into your punches. So again, this comes in the center, Qijang, and then the Tuet Sao. 1, 2, 3. So the question that came in is, well, how do you use it? What's it used for? So the first aspect, Keith coming out. Let's do the side, the camera angle. Somebody grabs. So remember, in the Wing Chun system, the stun and run concept. So as soon as somebody grabs, you want to strike. So one of the things Grandmaster Chung used to put out there is close enough to grab, close enough to hit. So from the wrist grab, I want to flick to the eye, and then I want to sweep. So I want to rotate this hand as I strike down. So you have the radial nerve here, which is a really good way to clear, and then follow up with chain punching. So again, from here, you have a pulling motion. I sweep down, attack the wrist to clear, and move our way back. The Qijang from here is if somebody reaches for me, just slapping the hand down and away. Okay, and then the last aspect, because always more than one application, is the pulling motion. So anytime somebody grabs onto us, what I want to do is I want to shorten the fulcrum between him and I. So I'm going to rotate and I want to pull this arm into me. So if he's bigger and stronger than I am, I'm not going to move him. I'm going to step forward and rotate this, which will expose the elbow, where you have the Golgi body here of nerves. So I'll be able to expose that with that strike here and clear out. So once again, also, as soon as it's grabbed, and this movement is done throughout the form, it's used to step and extend his arm and shorten mine. So again, from here, I pull it back, turn it over, and here, using that breakaway palm again at a different angle, push-pull. So that's the understanding of the Tuet Sao. So here's the breakaway palm, and we have the clearing and the pulling. So that is the explanation for the Tuet Sao section of the Silam Dao.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.